I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you've stopped by because you're curious to see what I picked up in the Tarte 4 for $44 sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. I have not been this excited for a beauty haul in quite some time. I love Tarte, I love a good sale, and OMG. I posted this on my community tab as soon as I found out about it. I'm always shocked and surprised at what good deals Tarte has. A couple times a year they do that build your own bag or buy, I forget what they call it. It's like $65 and you get to pick, I want to say 6 to 7 items. This is 4 products, mind you, Tarte products for $44. That's an average of only $11 per product, and Tarte items can range anywhere from 22 to 36 and up. Fantastic deal. And they had 90 plus products to choose from. It wasn't like, oh, here's 6 products. They had concealers, foundations, full-size eyeshadow palettes, lip products, etc., etc. All right, enough rambling. Let me open the box, share with you what I picked up, and throw it on my face. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. Yes, they packaged it with some lovely purple tissue paper. This is quite weighty for only 4 products. Now, I know I made them, but do I remember everything? No. I know the items. I don't remember the specifics. Because if you aren't aware, I am 55 years old and old lady brain is real. All right, the first product here is the Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. It's a foundation. I'm super excited and hope the shade match as we shop online actually works. I got it in 10N Fair Neutral. So if I can get it out of the box, let's do a swatch. All right, packaging, very cute. It's the standard 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce, and it does come safety sealed. All right, there is the swatch. Ooh, that looks like it's a perfect match for me. Maybe a hair lighter, however, very doable, and look how glowy. Now the timing in my life when I decided to use some spray fake tan on my face, probably not the best, but we're gonna make it work. Now, this is a tinted moisturizer, so the coverage is very sheer to light. I'm going to see if it's buildable. I also used a sponge, and we know how sponges feel lovely on the face, but sometimes can soak up a lot of that product. Let me go in with a brush and add a second layer. Okay, it is buildable. Now, it just built up a smidge. It is still just a tinted moisturizer, and I think for a tinted moisturizer, this is some lovely light coverage. It has a beautiful natural glow. You can still see my freckles, but it has toned down the redness. I am enjoying this. All right, on to the next product, and I hope I got a good shade. That is this guy here, which is a concealer. All right, so my camera crapped out. I have a battery that I've noticed that will just die, and then when the battery dies, whatever was being filmed gets corrupted. So if my face looks a little different, it is. Let me backtrack, share with you the products, and then we'll move forward. So I put some concealer on. This was not in the purchase. I already own it, but to be in alignment with the Tarte haul, this is from Tarte, and it is the Creaseless Concealer. The next product I shared is this one here, which looks like a concealer. And to be honest, when I bought it, I thought it was a concealer, but actually this is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It is like a liquid highlighter. I have it in the shade Sunbeam. I already did a swatch. It's on the back of my hand. And I applied it to the top portion of my cheeks. It comes with a flat paddle doe foot. And the packaging says ways to glow. Over Shape Tape concealer, alone for no makeup magic, mixed with moisturizer or primer, or to use on the high points of the face, collarbones, and décolletage. So I think this might be good to use kind of with your primer if you want a really glowy look. It's beautiful. That would have been nice if I was aware to put on underneath and then put the tinted moisturizer over it, but I'm using it as a highlighter today. The next product, which I'm actually already sporting at least half of it, is this product here, which is a cream cheek duo called Breezy, and I have the shades Pink Sands and Seychelles. The packaging claims it is waterproof, contains hyaluronic acid, algae, don't know why they would want to claim that, mineral pigments, and is dermatologist tested. Here are the swatches. So there is the bronzer and there is the blush. Here is the packaging. Isn't this beautiful? It's a oval in a really soft seafoam green blue shade with this kind of bronzy gold rim. Comes with a mirror. And this is what the products look like. As you can see, I obviously already swatched it. Thank you, crappy battery. The formula is very balm-like. So if you like a nice balmy cream product, I think you will enjoy these. All right, let me apply a little more so you can see it in action. Bronzer, and then we'll move along to the blush. I just used a flat top kabuki type of a brush, pounced it in, and plopped it on my face. It has the ever so softest natural kind of glow. It's not shimmery by any means, but it does have a nice natural glow to it. I'm going to take the same type of a brush, a flat top kabuki, and put on the blush. I don't know if it's this brush or the blush product doesn't seem to be picking up on the brush as nicely as the contour did. I'm going to take my fingers and see if I can't build up a little bit more color. That's much better. I'm just going to take the same sponge I used to apply the tinted moisturizer and just kind of pounce this in. The blush as well as the bronzer has a nice, soft, non-shimmery, but just a natural glow. And if you're one of my subscribers, thank you. You know how I feel about compacts that don't expand all the way. Look, it expands all the way. I hate it when they just go like this. So yay, it makes it easy to hold up in front of you and look at the mirror and grab the product. Good job, Tarte. All right, now on to the fourth and final product, which I'm super excited about. It is an eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful. Now it is a neutral color story because, welcome, I am a neutral kind of a gal. But this is a complete palette for $11. This is from Sugar Rush, which is the sub-brand of Tarte, and it's the Dream On Eye and Cheek Palette. And wait till you see the packaging. All right, this is beautiful. It's plastic-ish, but is it metal? Sorry for the glare. Look how beautiful. And yes, this also goes 100%. It does have a lovely mirror. Look at the color story. In the center is a lovely soft pink blush, and around are all of the eyeshadows. This has 10 pans. 4 seem to be mattes and the other remaining 6 are soft shimmers. All right, here are the swatches. Up top here are the 4 matte shades. This one you can't see because it's a soft off-white. And here are the shimmers. That is beautiful. Okay, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, and click that bell. The way I do my eyeshadow try-ons is I speed through and put some music on. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm gonna go off camera, finish up my eye look, put some liquid eyeliner, gel eyeliner, touch up my mascara, throw on some lip products, and come back and share the final look. All right, I'm back. Here is the final look. What are your thoughts? I am super thrilled. I think it turned out great. I think I got 4 fantastic products from Tarte for $44. Can you believe that? I'm going to list the MSRP grand total. That way we can see how much the MSRP value is compared to just $44. I'm still in shock and awe. All right, leave me your thoughts, comments. Let me know. Do you enjoy Tarte products? If so, what is your favorite? Have you tried any of the products I unboxed? Are you punching yourself for not taking advantage of this sale? It was so good. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. It really means the world to me. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And that bell, make sure you are notified when I post something on the community tab. Lastly, if you could do me the biggest favor and just click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.